imbibed in our company is that we don't hamper with our goodwill. So we cannot sell any product that we feel is not safe to use. So we have devised such a system so that we can recycle 99.9% of the procured cigarette butts.
Cigarette butts, known as CBs, contain thousands of dangerous chemicals and heavy metals. Even though we strongly do not support smoking in any form, but we do believe in the brilliant work done by Naman Gupta, the man who recycled cigarette waste. Hello and welcome to Rashi Foundation. Naman is the founder of Code Effort, a company that has helped our nation and environment by recycling cigarette waste. आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है.
Thank you so much.
So to start with Naman Gupta, please tell us about brand Naman Gupta and what inspired Code Effort Private Ltd. Over to you.
I am Naman Gupta and I am 26 years old. I have a commerce background and I am based and brought up in the Delhi NCR region. So this idea of cigarette waste management and recycling started with an identification of the problem that this cigarette butt does not have an appropriate disposal option in India. So this intrigued us, and through this curiosity, we started researching on what is really happening with this kind of waste. And through our research, we were unable to see various opportunities or any particular company to name who is dealing in this kinds of waste, particularly cigarette butts. So this made us take action on this problem, and by taking action slowly and steadily, we devised our system in such a manner that right now we are able to provide an end-to-end solution to this problem of cigarette waste.
Totally a brilliant idea. So Naman, how has your childhood and upbringing influenced, especially this work? I mean, why did you choose or how did you get the idea?
Since my childhood and throughout my childhood, I have been raised by my beautiful parents, whom I am glad that I am their son. So through their upbringing, I have led a very independent life throughout my childhood, and I was having a particular liberty in which we were allowed to have a certain amount of freedom, and yet we were made to remain in the discipline. So this upbringing has paved our system and has boosted our morale to do something for the society, particularly in this segment. Because in our case, if we talk about cigarette waste management and recycling, so cigarette as a whole topic is very sensitive and a taboo in India. So it is a difficult task to achieve initially, but through our awareness and through the public support that we have, through your esteemed foundation that we have received the support from you. So similarly, all those people who have helped us have carved our business model in such great strength.
So this is so beautiful, calling your parents beautiful at the age of 26. I think this is lovely and shows the parenting and the grooming the child has got. Okay, Naman, what are the different kind of products, their usage, and how are you manufacturing? Let's talk about that. And how safe they are. This is very important to go out to the public because people, the moment they hear that this is a cigarette, outlet product, they get a little wary. So let's talk about that. How safe it is to use these products.
Rightly said, ma'am. And in our case, because we are a recycling company, so and our ethics that we have imbibed in our company is that we don't hamper with our goodwill. So we cannot sell any product that we feel is not safe to use. So we have devised such a system so that we can recycle 99.9% of the procured cigarette butts. We have a system, a scalable model, which we are already operating in more than 200 districts in India currently. So through this model, we are able to procure the cigarette butts from majority of the nation. After the raw material is procured, it goes through various steps in the recycling process, and all these steps are completely human friendly as well as environment friendly. Through our system, we also ensure that we don't have any carbon footprints, and our system and our recycling process is completely carbon neutral. So once the recycling is complete and we are completely certified with the lab reports and quality check procedures, we produce more than 300 designs currently, and hoping to launch more than double the quantity in this financial year. So these designs fall under the basic categories of soft gift items like keychains, accessories. Along with that, we have home decor items like cushions, pillows, bolsters, mattresses. Along with that, because we generate a substantial amount of paper that is over the cigarette butts, so instead of throwing it away, we have prepared a beautiful product out of this paper using our expertise and through our testing and trial. So we have devised a mosquito repellent from the paper, so which is completely human as well as pet friendly. For safety, it goes through each and every batch, goes through a quality check and approval process, and later on the batches are lab tested and certified by the esteemed organizations who have the authority to ensure that all the certifications are legit. So once all this process is complete, it goes into the market for sales purposes.
Now, this is wonderful. We can see a lot of products at the back where Naman Gupta is sitting, and I think this is wonderful. What is the success mantra? When you clicked with this idea, what was the gut feeling you had that this would click? Over to you.
Success mantra, I must say, in my terms, I'll abbreviate it first and I'll elongate it. So I can say the success mantra in our case is H, D, and P. What is this HDP? It's hard work, dedication, and patience. So to for anybody to build an idea from scratch and bring it to the reality, you need a combination of the HDP: hard work, dedication, and patience. So, and I already told that I have been brought up by my parents with the mindset that you need to maintain a discipline in life. So if I am running a business and as a social entrepreneur, I must say that discipline is the key to achieve HDP. So if you are disciplined enough and if you have the confidence and the energy to win, so your hard work, dedication, and patience will be your success story, and all the sacrifices that you give while reaching that success level will definitely be a remarkable story to tell to the future generations.
I think the clarity of the thought is what is coming out of the horse's mouth. Hats off to Naman Gupta for this brilliant idea. Naman, what are the future plans and what next? You are doing household items, you're doing toys, you're doing keychains. What do you think is the next stage and next step for you with the CBs?
If we get the support from you and all the audience and all the public like we have been receiving till date, so we are hoping to have a very brighter future in the coming time, because the opportunity is huge in our case, because there are a very handful of companies who are dealing in cigarette waste management and recycling particularly. So it's a gray area and we have a lot of opportunity to tap onto, and we can play with various other kinds of products. Right now, in this financial year, we are developing our website, so we will be hoping that it is live in the coming October 2021. So with this, we will gain more and more traction and visibility. Along with that, we are almost done and dusted with our research and development with our upcoming products. So once the website is launched, you will be able to see the categories to rise from 300 to 3000 in no time. So this is our future planning. Along with that, we are trying to connect with all those people who want to serve the society and make the environment cleaner and greener. So we have a business approach. So if anybody, be it a small scale person or an individual or NGO, charitable trust, we are open to collaborate with each and every one of you. And if you are willing to work with us and work towards a common goal, then we are definitely certain that our efforts and the amount of time that we have devoted in solving this huge problem of cigarette waste will see better results.
And we wish you luck for this. I think a lot of people will collaborate with you because everybody has a mindset of recycling now. Okay, Naman, we've spoken about the good things. Let us know about the challenges you had faced because this is something which is very new, and we are sure that it would have been very difficult for you to even start with it. And making people trust you on particular using particular products used by CBs, recycled products. I think this is amazing. So let me hear that. Over to you.
Have been facing struggles and challenges since the day one, and it's been more than like it's a very long time since we are working on this, and we believe that all our struggles and all the hurdles that come our way, we consider them as opportunities to learn and grow, because through these struggles and through these hurdles, we are able to improvise on our strategies and improvise on our ground level. And the feedback that we have received from the public, initially, I will agree to the fact that it was difficult to convince people to use our services or buy our products in the initial phase because of the reluctant mindset that it is related to cigarettes. But in case if we don't tell anybody that it is made out of the cigarette waste, then people would have bought it. But that is unethical for us, because we are proud to say that we are the India's cigarette waste recycling company. And to make our nation proud and to increase our business model, we have devised such a system that our products are completely safe to use. Along with that, we have faced, because the informal sector of waste management is a very big task. So in order to recycle the raw materials, we need to have a flexible and a dynamic system to procure the raw materials. So in our case, because there are no specific bins out there in the public to dispose the cigarette butts, so the consumer has no option to flick it away or just throw it on the ground. So similarly, we had to solve that problem also in order to make something after recycling. So we have come a long way, and we have devised our system from scratch. Like each and every step, we didn't have any knowledge, we didn't have any background as such with regards to waste management or recycling. So through our continuous efforts and through the support from each and every one, be it public, be it our family, be it our teammates, and even our valuable customers. So through this collective support, we are here and we are trying to solve the problem of cigarette waste in India.
Naman, what is your special message to the communities and the brands?
Through this video, I just have a small message for each and everybody that climate change is not just a topic for the books. And we, as a current generation, like the people who are right now in this world, are really facing the challenges posed by the climate change. So it is time to leave out on thinking the problem. We should all start working towards the solution. And if we join hands, be it in any part of the nation or be it worldwide, if we try as a human race, if we try to solve the problem of waste and to better our climate so that our future generations are happy to live on this planet Earth, we should all work together, and be it corporate, be it as an individual. It is our moral duty to serve the nation and make their respective nations proud. So this is my short message. Thank you.
And the particular mindset and the particular approach towards business is what we understand is coming from Naman Gupta. This is totally wonderful. Isn't that great? The youth of a country are brilliant at ideas and its executions. Please come forward and support Naman with his venture and his products. आपका बहुत बहुत thanks है Naman.